Patambi. Camp Nou trophies and mementos. Patapura. Is going to start soon. We all are waiting for the first delivery of the second semi-final between Team 11 versus Yuva Pratibha Vallapura. Person they elected to ball first. Nitinum Sajid P. A easy delivery first from the bowler. The batter. Full toss delivery. Right fielded by Salam there. It is card record in the Karut. No ball called by the umpire. The decision of the umpire will be the final. Shot pitch will be played by Shahid. Well fielded there by Salam. Easy delivery into the block corner. For a ball from Nishat. Very good bowling from Nishat. 4 balls. 4. Short pitch. Stepping down the track and hitting towards the leg side, but this time couldn't connect. What a ball! First serve from Sajid. This time offline. Wide call by the experienced umpire. That was a chance. What a ball! Stammer full toss delivery. Well fielded by the fielder there. This time Shahid connects. What a shot from the batter there. What a was a slower delivery. Within to ball, first delivery. Lands in a safe. That was a chance for run out, and the run out is given by the umpire there. Ashik is going back to the pavilion. Now to bat is Vishnu Tuvakar. He is known for big hitting. The brutal powerhouse of Yuva Pratibha Vallapura. Easy delivery from Nitin there. Trying to hit on the leg side from the batter, Vishnu. Cutter delivery. This time wide call by the. This time a easy delivery. Clever bowling from the bowler there. Short pitch delivery. Trying to hit into the leg side. Full toss delivery. Well, a rare misfield from this. Again, pacey deliveries. Testing the quality of the batter there. Short pitch. What a goal! And the struggle in the middle of Vishnu Puvakot is wickets are falling. Beautiful facing. Slow cutter delivery attempted by the bowler, well fielded by the fielder. What a running between the wickets. 2 runs completed. Into the night sky. Nothing underneath this and takes the catch. Junais is gone. 3 wicket. This is second semi-final. Chance for a run out. Waiting for the umpire's decision. Another one is gone. Caught behind by Nitin. Here's an all out. What a goal! First up. Clean ball, the batter there. Prasad is going back to the pavilion without troubling the scorers. Muhammad Fazil of Yuva Pratibha is coming to make an impact on this by Muhammad Fazil. Hat-trick ball from Sajid. A sharp edge delivery. What a What a ball again, maiden over from this bowler, and that too in a semi-final. Took 2 important wickets. What a bowling from the bowler, the Sajid Yugli. Nitin into his second over. Easy delivery from Nitin this time, waiting for the slow cut. Fazil connects, Umesh behind it, and the catch is dropped. A easy delivery from Nitin this time and well fielded by Sajid. Throwing. Short pitch. Here is a PC fielder. Salam Karakar. This time a slow cutter delivery attempted by the bowler. What a shot from the bat of Muhammad Fazil there. Cutter delivery first up from the bowler, Umesh Odwara. That ends the struggle innings. A good throw from the field. Nazar there. 2 roads, Mizan Nazar. Another one. Usman. Another cutter delivery from Umesh Udgara. Well fielded by Salam though. What about 38 runs? VP. What a waste. Again, searching the block hole, this time connected by the batter. Now to phases. Short pitch delivery from Junaid this time. Well played by Nitin. What a shot. Stylish from the sensible batting from the batters there. Teammate 11-20 Nithinum, Umesh Oduvara. Faisal to bowl. Short pitch delivery for very good ball. This time a slow ball. Well played by Nitin. Short pitch. And the catch is dropped. A costly mistake from the fielder there. Slow delivery this time and well punished by the batter there. Into the left side. What a shot. A short pitch and well punished by the batter there. Nitin. A bit of fumble in the field by Ashik Mangalam. Nitin. Short pitch. This was to be taken. Cutter delivery attempted by Prasad. This time the batter connects and well fielded by Faisal there. What a ball from Prasad. Flick. This time the catch is taken by Mohammad Fazil. The fourth over of this innings. Very good first up delivery from Junaid's VP Wellfield. What a shot from Sajid. And this is a misfield error, misfield from Vishnu. Very good batting from, sensible batting from Sachit Ravindran. To the leg side. This time well fielded by Vishnu. What a batting. Sensible. Searching the corners of the ground, Sajith Veeravendran. This time hit. Well fielded by Ashik Mangalam. The equation. Short pitch. And well punished over the field for a huge six from the bat of Andre Razov Joko Skopam.